What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the AFM. It's your girl, Amaya.
It's a girl, Anaya. Wait, why you got handcuffs?
We're about to tell you now. Okay. As y'all saw by the title, us two are going to be handcuffed for 24 hours. Well, 23 hours.
Well, because we don't really got a timer for 23, but it's still 24 hours.
Yeah, hold up, y'all. Bruh. Yup. Can't get out either.
Can I get out?
Yeah. Yes, because your wrist is so small.
Ah!
Your wrist is so freaking small, that's why. That's enough. It's fine. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Okay. Handcuffs. Let's go, guys.
First, we gotta set the timer
Oh, yeah.
on my phone. I'm getting a new phone, y'all. Christmas. Okay, what else? Oh. I say, what I'm gonna do again? Alright, y'all, I got the timer. 23. 3. I ain't even said it yet. You so quick. 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's set. Let's go down.
Alright,
The
y'all.
timer is set. Let's go downstairs.
Bro,
Okay.
let me see. So they can see where we're gonna walk first. Hold a sec. This is hard. Anyway,
How's that not? I'm going to do it just a little bit. Or I can just do that.
that's cheating. Alright, the camera's on.
Oh, you tagged me?
Tag you back. Yo, wait, we gotta play it in here.
We need to play it here.
So they can see us.
Oh, my other bracelet.
Tag her in.
Hey! Got you! Wait, we're base. On the other.
Alright. Tag you. Yeah, tag is not a thing. Oh, the camera's almost over. Bye, guys. Peace.